Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how packing instructions can be used in the outbound logistic process in terms of shipping. If you are not familiar with how to create a packing instruction in IFS Applications, you can refer back one of our previous videos. In here, I have created two packing instructions. DPMC packing. Pack instruction consists of two levels, where one pallet consists of 10 boxes, whereas Euro packing instruction consists of one pallet, where each pallet consists of 18 boxes. Now I'm going to refer these two packing instructions in the part level. So I will go back to the master path level and I will navigate to the handling unit capacity. So for each part, I am selecting one of my lower level handling unit type. So for this part, I am having, let's say, 10 units per box. And I will save it. For the other part, I will select the same handling unit type option with the capacity of, let's say, 20. So I have two packing instructions. So each capacity has been defined on the path level as well. I can create a custom order and move forward with the shipping process. And there is an option called default packing instruction for the custom orders. So for each part, we can define a default packing instruction. For one of our part, I will create a packing instruction, and for the other part, I will not include any packing instruction. When I am creating a packing instruction, we can specify whether it is applicable for one particular customer and site level. We can include customer and site parameters. If not, we can just include part number itself for this, where it will be applicable for all other parameters irrespective of customer, site, etc. I will select DRMC packing instruction for this. I will select minimum quantity of, let's say, 10 for this part, and one pallet consists of 10 boxes. Now I will go and create a custom order. I will start from the beginning. I will select a customer. And I will create a custom order header for this. Then I will start adding the customer order lines. So I am adding my parts now. Let's say quantity of 100. I will save it. And again, I am adding my other part. Again, let's say quantity of 100. And I will save it. When we have defined a default packing instruction, it should be visible on the line level. As you can see it here for this part, I have defined a default packing instruction, so it is visible in here. And for this part, I have not defined, so it is not visible, but you can manually select one of the packing instruction. As the next step, let's see how this progress into the shipping. So I will click on release. This will create shipment lines for me. I have marked it as create shipments at order release. Now I will navigate into the respective shipment. And in here you will see the respective two lines. Now I will go to the operations and I will try to reserve the items. I will click on reserve. As next process, I have to create the pick list. Now what I will do is I will go back to the shipment handling instruction. You will see there is no any shipments handling units are created, and there are two unattached shipment lines. We can add these two lines according to handling unit capacities or based on the packing instructions. So in here you will see the respective packing instruction option is available, which is coming from the customer order. If you want, you can add the packing instruction from here like this, and you can save it. For this order line, the first order line default packing instruction is coming from the custom order. Now you have options either to pack according to packing instruction or pack according to handling unit capacities. I will select pack according to packing instruction for the first one. And for the other line, I will select pack according to handling unit capacity. If I go back in here and if I expand, you will see one pallet has been created with the number of boxes, whereas for this, it's just the handling units have been added based on the respective items capacity we have defined. For this, we have quantity of 10. I believe so we have the quantity defined here, quantity attached on reservations, you will see quantity of 20. And for these parts, we have again quantity of 10. We can navigate back to the shipment and click on create pick list and move forward with this shipment flow. And respective handling units will be attached to this shipment. And you will see respective shipment details through the packing list. If I go back to the print packing list option, you will see the respective handling unit that has been defined. Each handling unit and the quantities specific to those is mentioned in here. In terms of shipping, you can use handling unit packing instruction predefined. It used in the default pack instruction for customer orders. Or you can manually edit it between of the shipping process based on the respective customer requirements. Hope you got an understanding about how packing instruction can be used in the shipment process. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you.